250 anjing.
Hello, welcome back to my video. $29 Bitcoin is closer than you might expect, according to Derivatives Data Part 2. The above graph shows that this measurement plunged under net 4% on June 1, mirroring merchant absence of interest for influence long position. In any case, the present 2% pricing isn't especially disturbing, considering that BTC is down 5% year to date. To reject externalities will definite for the prospect instrument. Merchants should likewise investigate Bitcoin choice markets. The 25% delta slant is a telling sign at whatever point exchange work areas and market creator cheat for potential gain or disadvantage insurance. In the event that those merchants read a Bitcoin cost crash, the slant marker will move above 12%. Then again, some perform mirror a negative 12% slant. Data show that the scale indicator has been ranging between 3% and 5% since August 5, which is deemed to be a neutral area. Option traders are no longer overcharging for downside protection, meaning they might lack excitement, but at least they have abandoned the fear statement seen in the last few months. Considering Bitcoin's surance ascending channel pattern, Bitcoin investors probably should not worry too much about the lack of buying demand. According to future market data, of course, there is healthy skepticism reflected in derivatives metric, but the path to $9,000 BTC price remain clear as long as inflation and statistics are under control. The view and option expressed here are those of the other and do not reflect the views of Cointelegraph. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision. Thank you for coming.